So he's going to hit 2 serves from here, and then we'll switch, hit 2 serves the other way, and we'll just see what your serve's doing. Ready? Good. Yep, nicely done. I'm not worried about scoring this. We'll score it in a minute. We just want to see what's happening here. Yep. Yep. Oh, he's done well with that one. Okay, keep going. Can you serve again from the other side for me? That's it. Yep. Serve is in. Let's go again. Just watch that ball behind you. Hang on. Can we just move that one out of the way? We'll just serve this one again. Okay, everyone ready? Yes, quite. That was clever. Yeah, very good. Okay, switch it over again. So if we go, Clive, could you serve this time? If you serve from the right for me, that's it. So you're serving to me. Serve 2 this way and then serve 2 the other way. Okay, everyone ready? Good. That's great. Oh, chance. Serve again. Okay, interesting. Yeah. So let's serve again for me. Out on that one. Hang on. Wait. Just move that one out of the way for me. Okay, everyone ready? Second serve. Oh, we got him. Chance for the volley there, maybe. Okay, could you swap places this time? Can you go down that end for me? So Peter, you're going to serve this one. Again, you can serve 2 from there, and then we'll swap again 2 from the other side. Have you got a couple of balls to start with? Great. Okay, are we good? Just long, only just. Come this way a little bit. That's it. Good. Yep. Let it go. So that's out because it hit the cage, it hit the glass first. So he hits the glass first, I'll point. Yep. Serve the other way. That's out. So try again. Good. Close. You got one more serve. Nice. Great return. Yeah, nice in the corner there. Okay. Good. So you've hit 2. You've hit 2 to me. Can we just go around again for me? So we go back to Steve. You're serving that end again. And if I could have Clive, you can come down this end this time. If you go this side for me, Peter. So just getting you having a good look at your serve, see what you're doing. So I'm kind of giving you 2 goes at this, okay? Ready? Okay, here we go. Hang on. Sorry, your partner's not ready. So your partner needs to be at the net for me. So Peter, you come forwards for me. If you can come back a little bit here. Come this way a little bit. Good. Right, everyone good? Okay, great. Good. Great. Go again. Can you serve again that way? Good. So we did 2 from each side, all right? Everyone ready? Good. Out on that one. Go again. Good. Okay, back you come, partner. Out. Fortunately, hit the cage first, so that is our point, unfortunately. Okay, serve the other way for me. Okay, ready, partner? Out, unfortunately. Yeah, nice try. Okay, got it. Let's go again. Everyone ready? Okay, here we go. Let it go. Okay, round we go again. So it should be your turn. Head down that again for me. Round we come. I'm after, who's not, actually that's fine. Yeah, you come around here. Okay, so Peter, you come forwards for me. Okay, let's just check our ready positions again. Good, go for it. Good. Get in your come partner. Oh, got him there. Okay, interesting. Okay, ready? Out on that one. Try again. Good. Nice try. Okay, got it. Serve again from the other side. Out, unfortunately. Oh, got him. Okay, so we've got one more rotation, haven't we? So it should be your serve next. And this is I think everyone's served twice so far, haven't they? So if you can come to the net for me, please. That's it. So Peter, you're serving. Everyone ready? So last 4 serves, okay? Go. Good. Nice. Got it. Okay, serve again for me. Out, unfortunately. Good. Good. Serve for the other way, last 2. Okay, everyone ready? Good. Okay, here we go. Ooh, you okay? Nice try. Okay, let's do one more serve for me. Sure you're right? Yeah, all good. We're doing this way once more. So we're going back this way again. You get your own back now. Right, ready? Okay, go. And again. Good. Okay, forwards, forwards, forwards. Good. Okay, that's me. Unlucky. So I can do that, by the way. I can hit off the glass. Okay, good. That gives me a bit of an idea as to what your serving was doing. Give me a chance to kind of look at your serves a bit more thoroughly there. So most of the time, I think you're getting it over and in. It's more a question of challenging your opponent a bit with some of those serves, and equally what you're trying to do with the serve and kind of where you want to be for the next shot. So I was catching you a little bit when you were hitting that serve, and I hit through the center. So you know, I'm catching you. You know, I'm hitting through the middle, and it's kind of, I'm passing a little bit there. So we can talk about how you can make that serve harder, so that you can control the space a bit better to make it more difficult for me to play that one. And I can show you how to hit kind of the first pane a bit more, as opposed to hitting the side there. Your serve is going over and in pretty nicely. I think perhaps moving in after the serve might mean you get a better first shot, and you can start to dictate the point, as opposed to staying at the back and we run in and take the net. And similar over here, following in after the serve and just making it harder for us off that first shot a little bit. Okay, so let's look a bit more at that serve, so how we can kind of control the space a bit better and make life difficult for the returner. Can you come around this side for me, everybody? Right, okay. So if you all come this side, you'll see this a bit easier. So about here for me. A bit closer. That's good. So my start position, I'm sort of in the middle here. So I'm gonna bounce the ball about waist height. My racket starts up. After I've hit the serve, you'll notice straight away I'm running in. So I kind of want to get to the net, and I'm sort of following the ball. So I'm kind of getting to this position here. So I'm at the net for my first volley. If I don't quite get far enough in, I'm going to end up playing that first volley here. It's going to be more difficult. So the first thing is just get to the net, get there quicker. If I hit harder, does that allow me more or less time to get in as opposed to hitting softer? Less, yeah. So if I hit a slower serve, actually that allows me more time to get in and play that first volley at the net. So I don't actually have to use power here. I'm a bit clever with my feed. Pace is not necessarily the answer. The point really at the back of the court is to get to the net. You know, I'm not trying to win the point for the back. I'm just trying to get to the net so I can then take the point. If you just notice again, so when I drop it, I'm swinging towards the target. If you're finding it's kind of hitting the cage, then you just swing a bit more in the direction you want it to go. You can practice this on your own. I'll get you to do this in a second. But you just drop, hit, swing, and then just follow it in. If I can get it in that corner off that first pane of glass, it's very tricky. You know, probably sort of 3 out of my 4 shots are going to go there. I might hit one through the center occasionally, keep that play honest, but generally, there it is, in I go, straight in, okay? So just need you to follow it in after that shot a bit better, and you know, try and control the space a bit more, just try and get it a bit more in that first pane, just swing the racket in the direction you want it to go. If you're finding it's going too much that way, you know, just swing a bit more to the left, essentially. If I'm on the right-hand side, same process. You know, I'd aim that way. So we'll get you to try this now. So if you can all start this end, I'm going to give you basketballs and have a go at it. Okay? So we got what? That's it. So if you want to take 2 balls each and have a go at hitting that serve for me. If we have one person serving this side, one person serving this side, we'll have one returner. Can you go and return for me? And we'll just keep rotating it around, okay? The ball's on the other side. Can you just push them towards the net? Great. Okay, so I'm going to keep roaming around and have a look to see what you're doing. Obviously, as a left-hander here, your shots are going to, you know, your shot will naturally curve that way slightly. So it's judging, not over-curving it a little bit. Okay, take it away. Let's have a look. Yeah, so have a go. I'm just going to watch from here. Go for it. So drop it here and swing and go in after it. Get to the net. Good. So you want to be right at the net after that. You know, by the time he's got it, you want to be up there. Okay, go for it again. So drop, hit. You can both serve. That's fine. Carry on. Good. Go for it. Oh, close. Just got to hit a little bit more on that cage. After serve, what do we got to do? Move in. So in this practice, continue doing that. Good. So move in. Great. Right idea. Good. So just get in the habit of moving forwards after that serve. You don't have to hit it so hard. Again. Close. So keep going. And again. Good. If you start with your bat, just start with it up slightly so it's a little higher. That's it. There you go. Keep going. And again. Let's have a look. So we're looking to see if you can get that ball kind of cross court into that pane essentially and run in after you hit it. Close. I like the fact you run in after it. Just judging the amount of pace, basically. Can we rotate round again? So if you want to come around this side for me, you go around that right side, that'd be great. And we'll carry on, okay? Do you want to have a go hitting from this side? Brilliant. So take a couple of serves. We've still got a few in there. So I'd probably just have one ball in my hand. Put the other one in your pocket, really. You want the racket up to start with. That's it, and off you go. So hit and go. Good. That's it. You're going in better there. Yeah, so you got into the net a lot better. And I like the fact it was angling towards that cage. See if you can put it a bit more into that cage. So racket about waist height. That's good. Good. That's good. Just give you a bit more width on it. So you just want to give it a little bit more an angle. Let's have a look. So come a little bit closer. A bit more to the right there. Good. Yeah, you can sort of hit and sort of carry on with it a little bit. Good. Great. That's a good one. So you got it into that corner quite nicely there. Good. Carry on. Good, hang on. Just watch those balls. Can we just push those towards the net for me? Thank you. The ones at the back of the court, if you can push them towards the net as well. That's great. Good. Brilliant, thank you. Okay, are we ready? So we want to start that racket up. If you want to add a bit of extra challenge, you can also cut the ball. You want to watch from this side a second. So, I don't know if you can see this. So if I can cut a little bit underneath it, it gives it a bit of underspin, which means it stays a bit lower. So cutting the ball with some slice is also helpful. That's, I should also point out here, that's more helpful if you've got a chopper grip. Okay, so any tennis players might know this from tennis, but basically, and this is the grip we use for everything. So if you put your, that you can do it, if you can see me, do I come this side a second, I'll show you. Come around. So if I put my hand on the edge of the bat, and I move my hand down the bat, that's the grip I want to use for everything. Okay, so it's a little bit further around. You were using a forehand grip, so we'd move around a little bit more towards what's called a continental grip. Yeah, obviously left hand, you're going this way, so it's that way. Good, you've got it. Okay, so that's a grip we want to use for everything. Volleys, forehands, backhands. It also helps with a bit of slice. You can also hit a bit more underspin with this grip. So you get the grip right, that's right. You can then kind of cut the ball. Watch a second. Come on this side a second, I'll show you. So I can cut under it a little bit. You see? So I can cut under it, and that allows that cut, skids off the court nicely. It makes it even harder for him. That's it. Give it a go. Close. Keep trying. Again. Good. Yeah. Quite like the pace on it, because the slowness allows you to really get up the court and look for that first volley. Good. So come a bit more to the right. Good. Great. Carry on. Unlucky. So that one, the racket angles, that happens. So it's changing the angle slightly better and running in after it. So again, just follow it in after that serve. Yep. There's a ball behind you. Just watch that one for me. Thank you. Good. Okay. Change around again. Can we just keep rotating? I'm going to set an extra challenge here for the server. Okay, I will show you what I'm looking for. Okay. Can we just watch that ball over there as well? Could you move that ball out of the way for me, Peter? Great. Do you want to just watch there a second? Okay, so I'm going to serve to you. I'm going to catch your return. You ready? Move that way slightly. Good. So I'm going to serve, hit, and then I'm going to run in and try and catch a shot. I can either catch my hand or I can catch with the bat. I'm trying to get in and catch it, so just to prove I can get in behind the ball, essentially. So, do you want to see that once more? Let's see if I can give you a better example. Ready? So I hit there, run in, and I'm just going to catch it like that. Got it? So I'm trying to encourage you to get to the net. Obviously, I can't catch it if I'm too far back. Okay, give it a go. Good. Oh, it's a great serve, nestled right into that corner, wasn't it? You can carry on serving here. Yeah. That's it. Good. And catch it if you can. Obviously, probably your partner's that one. That's fine. Good. Watch that ball behind you. Good. Bit of slice on that one. You see that underspin? You actually had a bit of swerve on it. So it swerved into the glass a little bit there. Just watch that ball behind you again. There's one there. That's it. Good. Nicely done. Yeah. So your partner would have that. Good. So if it's a little bit underneath it if you can. Keep checking that grip again. Good. So I reckon you could got in a bit quicker on that one. Yeah. Got it? It's a bit of underspin. Yeah, it's learning not to hit too big. Just cut it. If you can nestle it into that corner, even better. Yeah. Start that racket up. Just come under it a little bit. So see how my racket starts high? So it's more of a high to low action. I'm just trying to meet the ball and cut a little bit off it. That's better. Good. Catch it. Great. See, you're getting a bit of slice on it now. So he's basically having to hit up. Good. Ooh, just hit the cage first. Close though, like you're thinking. Just keep checking that grips. It might move a little bit round to that forehand. Just get used to it. Can we rotate around again? So keep rotating round. We've still got a few left in there. Yeah, that's good. Okay, good. Good. Yeah, just watch those balls on the court. So if you carry on hitting serves, and we'll carry on doing what we're doing there. That's great. Okay, good. Just watch that ball there. So racket starts up. So if you've got return in there, you're going to run in after it and catch that ball. Run in and then close. I like the fact he tried to get the angle on it. It's learning not to hit the cage. You've got to hit a little bit more on that first pane. Good. In you go. In you go. Can you catch it? Oh, nearly. Good effort. You can catch either like that or like that. That's fine. And then go in. Oh, that's a good one. Yeah, right in that corner on that one. Great, Peter. Good. So ready again. In you go. In you go. Very good. Yep. Very good. Lovely. So I like the fact you got in nicely. He had quite a tough shot there. You can then take the net. Good. Are we checking these grips, everybody, still? Just making sure. That looks good. Yep. Grip's good. It might feel a bit unusual if you're not used to it. Eventually, it'll get more familiar. Yeah, it's your partners. If you could just start that racket up, just come down a bit more on it, you'll get the slice. If you end up hitting up on it, it'll be topspin. We want to cut it really. So high to low. So more, you know, so if I'm this way around, I'm kind of coming this way. I'm cutting it under the ball that way. So high to low. Good, better. Yeah, you cut underneath it better there. Keep checking the grip again. That's good. Go ahead. Nearly. Just start that racket up and just come down a little bit more. Just trying to slice a little bit off the ball. Good. Yeah. So it's high to low. So it's learning to come down on it. So look, watch again. So high, chip underneath it and then run in. Good. Yeah, that was spinning. That was slice. You start the racket up, it generally you'll have to hit down on it. So it's learning a slightly higher start position, and then you're good to go. Okay, good. Right, we'll move on in a second. Let's just check you've all got a good go at this. Good. So again, follow it in. I like the slice. Stayed low nicely, didn't it? Again, follow it in. Good. So nice slice. Follow it in. Underspin was excellent. Definitely stayed lower. Just get in behind it. Yeah, bit more underspin, probably a bit softer. Close. Line is in. I think maybe a bit more underspin. Again, just cut underneath it a little bit more. Get that grip right, get that feeling of high to low. Cutting underneath the ball. Good. Yeah, good. I think you're starting to hit softer. Yeah. Can you see that effect? You can get on the net quicker. Yeah. So that puts you in a better position for that first volley. Yeah. So not always trying to win from the point with the serve. We're just trying to get to net, get to a point where we can hit another shot. Oh, that's a tough one. It's worth also pointing out here, sometimes you get a shot that hits the side here off the serve. Can you guys see this? So if it hits the point where the post meets, you've got to watch the rebound. If it rebounds and comes back this way, it's in. Basically, it's hit, we deem it as hitting the glass first. If it rebounds and kind of comes back, it's hit the cage first. Okay? Most of the time, it comes off, that way, and you play it normally. But just occasionally, it pops the other way, and okay, we've realised it's cage first. Okay. Nice. Great. Okay, can we just pick the balls up? We're going to go into some point play. Having a look at these serves, we're going to play 4 shots and see where the serving team are when we finish on the 4th shot. Okay? So once we've played 4 shots, we'll see if the serving team are at the net or not and whether they're in command of the point. Okay? So we'll move the basket out of the way now. Great. Brilliant. Let's just move that way. Great. Okay. So, can you start for me? So Peter starts. You take 2 balls. You got one there. Steve, you come down this end for me. So, if you want to return. So your partner started the net. Good. Okay, let's just check our court positioning first. Come back a little bit. Good. So after the serve, what are you going to do? Move in. What spin are we looking on that serve? Underspin. Brilliant. And if you want to make it tough for him, where are you going to aim it? Towards the glass. Excellent. Let's go. Good. Ooh, got him. Well done. How'd you make that one better? How'd you make your serve better? Yeah, probably it just came a bit soft, too short, I think. Bit more depth, I think. Maybe a tiny bit more pace, possibly too. Okay, serve the other way. You're serving to me this time. So we just keep, take it in turns. We'll get you to kind of play a few shots from here. Ready? Go. Good. So in you come. Yep. Just starting to get in better, but I still need you in a bit faster. Oh, has it gone over? Yep. Okay. Serve the other way again. Okay, partner ready? Come back a little bit. Okay, good. Great. Good. Nice. Yep, good. Better though. Look where your partner was. To see how you got to net, Peter. You were in a far better position then. You got into the net a lot better. You were both at the net, which was a lot. It's a lot better place to be. Okay, go. Good. Just get in behind it. Follow it in. Every cost, just in you go. Serve and volley straight in. Can we do that one again for me? See if you can get in a bit faster this time for me. And again. Good. Oh, close. Okay, serve the other way again. Okay, we good? Close. Yeah, keep going. Can you guys see okay? Do you like lights yet? All right, then. Good. Yeah. Better. Look where you were. You were at the net. He gave you a slightly tough volley because it was low, but your position was far better. Swap around again. Can you serve this time for me if you can? So Clive's serving this time. We'll see after that fourth shot where he is. Good. Nice. Whoa. Lot better. You got to net really nicely. I think maybe just put it a bit more into that corner. Right, hang on. Wait for your partner. That's good. Okay. Unlucky. Good. Go. Good. Yes. Great. So you can use height to your advantage with that reach. So you did get to the net. Unlucky with your next shot, basically. Yeah, my partner did quite well there. Okay. Let's go one more this way again. What's the grip we're looking for that serve? Chopper grip. So we need just bring that hand a little more. And what spin am I after? Yeah, underspin. Try and cut underneath it. Go for it. Good. The slice was quite nice. You did cut it. It's just judging not hitting the cage and the difference between the cage and the glass. Go again. Good. That's good. Yeah, that was quite effective. You got to net, did have some slice. It kind of hugged the glass quite nicely there, made it tough for him. Can we switch around again? So, Clive, that's it. Well, Peter, you come around this side. Clive, you can stay there. So just going to look to see after the fourth shot where you are, whether you're in command of the point or not. So my partner's standing back here. Okay, are we ready? Good. Okay. Not bad. I probably think you did come in behind it. I think it just sat up a little bit. Maybe a bit more slice might have made that shot a bit more tougher for me. Swap sides again. Good. Oh, that's lovely. See how it stayed low? Really hugged the glass really nicely there. That's a very difficult shot for my partner. Let's go this way again. Oh, yeah, still good. Oh, okay, pretty good. Came in behind it nicely. Okay, all right. I think we've done enough. Let's just go back to open points now. Okay, has everyone got a pretty good idea what to do after the serve now? I think it's a bit of practice required. just to get the feeling of kind of the slice and trying to get the glass and basically just run in. It is kind of like a chip and charge. You know, whatever you hit, just get to the net, basically. All right, go again. So if we go back to our tie break, 10-point tie break. Same partners. Let's go. Let's change it around. Can I switch? Can you switch that way a minute? So we go Steve and Peter, and you can join me, Clive. Do you want to call again? Heads or tails? Tails. It is tails. What would you like to do? You serve? Okay. I'm going to put the lights on. I think it's starting to get a bit darker. Okay. Don't need those. Okay. All right. 10-point tie break. So my partner's going to, let's check your partner's ready to be. So that'll become for me. Great. So come back a bit more. Good. Okay. Open 10-point tie break. Are we ready? Good. Oh, lucky. That's us next. You can serve next. So 1 to you. Okay, everyone ready? Good, go. Just long, and another one. Hang on. Can we move that one out to the net for me if you can? All good? Okay, great. That's yours. Good. Let it go. Sub point, yeah. Yeah, be careful you don't get too close to the net. Yeah, otherwise you're more likely to be lobbed. So, but JC, just stay behind that first post, come between the first and second. That's our point though, isn't it? So 1-1, my partner serving again. Okay, everyone ready? Got it? Good. Nice. You got it? Oh, 4. Okay. 2-1. New server. So was I left? So your turn to serve from the left-hand side for me. Was I left? Yeah, I think I was left. Right. Okay, let's check everyone's ready. Come this way a little bit. So 2-1, isn't it? Go. Yep. Okay. What are you going to do after that serve for me, Peter? Yes. You're serving again for me. So score is 2-2. Okay, everyone ready? Good. Yep, I got it. That's me.